Hello Pythonistas. So already we have completed say hello world with Python. Now we can solve Python if else statement. Yeah. So this is a task. What they have said is given an integer n, perform the following conditional actions. If n is odd, print weird. So we can just start writing here. After we get input from as n from the user, what we are going to use? We are going to write if n is odd. N is odd means the modulus should be not equal to 0. So if n modulus 2 is not equal to 0, then that is called as odd numbers, correct? So here I am printing, what should I print? Not weird. So NOT and WEIRD. So please, again I am saying, please be careful with the use cases of the words which you are printing. So next, what is the condition? If n is even and in inclusive of range 2 to 5. So whatever number which is not odd is going to be even. So we can just write an else statement and we can write um, n is inclusive in the range of 2 to 5. Inclusive means 2 and 5 is also included. So I am going to write if n is greater than or equal to 2 and n is less than or equal to 5. So this is inclusive range. Now what we are going to print? We are going to print not weird. Not weird, correct? Oh, okay. So if it is odd, we will be printing weird. And if it is here, we will be printing not weird. Next, what is the condition? If n is even, so again we are in the even only and in the inclusive range of 6 to 20. So I can write L if and n is greater than or equal to 6 and n is lesser than or equal to 20. So what I am going to print here? I am going to print weird. Yes, I have printed weird. Now, if n is even and greater than 20, then we are going to print not weird. That is nothing but any other case other than 6 to 20 is going to be not weird only because all the numbers are going to be greater than 20. So we can just write an else and we can write print weird. So I think that's it, friends. We can just check the input format. Input format is a single line containing only positive integers. So it is easy. We are containing only positive integers and the integers starts from 1 to 100. So 0 is not included. So no need to worry. From 1 to 100 only we are going to write. So 1 is going to be odd number and all the other odd numbers cannot be coming because it will be coming inside weird and else only we are going to check from n is equal to 2, that is the first even number itself. So I think it is easy for you to now understand. So now let us run the code and see. Whoops. So test case 1 is showing wrong answer. What is it showing is our output is weird it seems, but the expected output is not weird. The input is 24 they have given. Now let us see what is the mistake in our code. So if we give 24, then it is on the greater than part, right? So, oh, I have read it wrongly. That is the problem. So if it is greater than 20, we are going to print not weird. So this is how we will be making use of this test conditions and check. So after printing not weird, we can just now run and see the code if all the test conditions are satisfying. Yeah, can you see? Congratulations, you have passed the test condition. Click on submit to run the code against all the test conditions. Now I am clicking on submit and yeah, so all my test conditions are satisfied. That's it, friends. See you in the next task. Bye bye.